What trend do you notice? Let me rewind and slow down. I zoom into the property valuations and remove the unnecessary information. And to ensure that my information was wholesome on a certain level, I use FCT, CICT, and Suntec. As of this recording, I have no stake in Suntec, but I have vested interest in CICT and FCT. Here's the summary. Singapore asset valuations went up, Australia asset valuations dropped, Germany asset valuations dropped, and UK asset valuations dropped. Did you notice this in the REITs that you hold? Let me know in the comments below on one REIT that you'd like me to check, and I'll check on your behalf. And you are probably thinking of this right now. I'm just here to collect dividends. Just buy based on dividend yields, know the stock price and the amount of dividends. Why do I need to know more about these property valuations? That big why is found in this video. And if you need a stronger appeal from me to watch this video, my appeal is that it affects the dividends that you receive from your REITs. I'll see you in the video.